Welcome the Art Channel. Today we how to update payment info on Spotify, subscription update step by step clearly. Open the Spotify app on your phone or go to spotify.com on your computer. Make sure you are connected to the internet so the account page can load correctly. Log in with the exact Spotify account that has the active subscription. If you use Google, Apple, or Facebook to sign in, choose the same method you used before. On a computer browser, click your profile picture or name in the top right corner. Select Account to open your Spotify account settings page. On mobile, if you do not see payment options, switch to a browser because many billing changes require the web page. In the account page, find the section called Your Plan. Click Manage Your Plan to view subscription and billing options. Look for the Payment or Payment Details area on the Plan Management page. If you see a button like Update or Change Payment Method, click it. Choose the new payment method you want to use, such as credit card, debit card, or PayPal, depending on your country. Enter the new card number carefully, without spaces if the form removes them automatically. Type the expiration date exactly as shown on your card. Enter the CVC or security code from the back of the card, or the front for some cards. Fill in the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card. Add your billing address if Spotify asks for it, and make sure the postal code is correct. Double-check every field to avoid failed payments caused by small typos. Click Save, Update, or Submit to confirm the new payment information. Wait for the confirmation message that your payment method has been updated. Go back to your plan and confirm the payment method now shows the new details. If Spotify says you cannot change payment in the app, always use a desktop or mobile browser. If your subscription is billed through Apple or Google, open the App Store or Google Play subscription settings instead. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, tap Subscriptions, then select Spotify to update payment. On Android, open Google Play, tap your profile icon, tap Payments and Subscriptions. If the update option is missing, it may be because your plan is billed through a partner, so follow the billing link shown on the page. If payment keeps failing, try a different card, check with your bank, or temporarily disable any card security blocks. After updating, keep an eye on your next billing date to confirm the subscription renews successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.